Whenever you want to make a quick and easy double decrease on the knit side of the fabric, slip one stitch knitwise from the left needle to the right needle. And that means that we insert the tip of the right needle into that stitch from left to right, then ease the left needle out, leaving the stitch on the right needle. Then we insert the tip of the left needle into that same stitch again. We go from left to right, and we do it in such a way that the left needle stays at the front of the right needle. The right needle is at the back. Then we push the tip of the right needle a bit further so that it enters the next two stitches on the left needle, like this. Then wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn and pull the wrap through, knitting these 3 stitches together and making 1 stitch out of 3. Let's do it again. So we slip 1 stitch knitwise, then we kind of return it back, and at the same time we push the tip of the right needle further until it gets into the next 2 stitches and knit these 3 stitches together. That's our decrease. That's how quick and easy it is. Because it is a variation of a classic slip, slip, slip knit decrease, the SSSK, the resulting stitch has a slant to the left, but this slant is offset by the other 2 stitches, and the decrease itself is more soft. It doesn't look like the rigid line that is formed by the classic slip, slip, slip knit decrease. It is more balanced, and that makes this decrease perfect in cases when we need to decrease stitches in the middle of the fabric, making kind of a spotted decreases, or whenever we need to make a number of decreases at the same time in the same row, for example, when we are making ruffles. For more details about this method, go to 10roseday.com/easy-double-decrease. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.